Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Jenna, and if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. If you notice, I'm a little bit more casual today. It was rainy and I didn't feel like getting super dressed up just to get redressed into a costume. So I decided to start off with just a t-shirt and we'll go from there. I want to thank you guys for being patient with me about last week's video. I'm sorry again that I didn't get uploaded until yesterday. I had family come into town on Saturday that I haven't seen in a few years, and so we of course went out to dinner with them. We social distanced and it was a great time to catch up with them, but because of that I kind of ran a little behind, and I was going to post on Sunday, and then I got a migraine on Sunday. So I'm very sorry. It sometimes happens, so thank you guys for being patient again. It was a really hard weekend and week for school, so thank you guys. But yeah, so on to this video. So today I'm going to be doing kind of like a how-to video so you guys can get ready for the Halloween season. The funny thing is the costume that I got was actually for a birthday party that my boyfriend and I went to for one of his co-workers' wives. It's a 20's theme. You know, Roaring 20's was, I feel like, really popular last year, but it's always a good costume to do, so I figured why not do it again for this year. So yeah, we're going to start with a black dress, we're going to do hair, and we're going to do makeup. I'm going to try to keep it short and simple for those two parts since I'm not really a beauty or hair guru, but I'll at least show you guys kind of bits of the process so that way you guys aren't completely confused for the final thing. But yeah, let's get started. So as you might realize, we are in my closet right now. This is where we have the best lighting for this, and also I have a giant mirror which is like right there next to you guys, so if it looks a little awkward and it looks like I'm not looking at you guys, it's because I'm looking at the mirror right behind you. I brought all my makeup stuff in here. I'm gonna go wet my sponge real quick, so I'll be right back. Now that my sponge is damp, we are ready to go. First things first, we're gonna put some primer on. So and I've always had really bad dark circles, so I wish I knew how to do this sooner. Because maybe people wouldn't ask me if I'm sick all the time in the winter. That happened to me once at a job. This one guy, for a solid 3 weeks, every time I came into the office, he's like, "Are you sure you're not sick? Because you look really pale." I'm like, "No, that's just my face." I'm just a pale person. Oh, that was way too much powder. Alright, so I just did my brows. I have pretty thick brows, so I don't really see the necessity to go super hardcore with them. I just kind of fill in this part, and then I fill in the more bald spots throughout, but right here is usually my most bald spot, and so that's kind of what I fill in, so it doesn't look as sparse there. So the next thing we're gonna do is eyeshadow. I have this eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay. But if you guys want me to ever do a makeup tutorial, I know it's not my thing, but if you guys want to see me try to do one, comment down below, because I think that'd be really fun. It's on my list of things to do for next year, because I kind of have this year fully planned out. But if that is something you guys want me to do, I will definitely do it. But yeah. Okay, and of course these all have really bad colors on them because I didn't wash them after the last video. Because I'm a terrible person, which means that I might have black in this look when I don't want black. Does anybody have any recommendations for brush cleaners? Because if you do, please let me know. So now let's take a little bit of this concealer. Oh, I love the smell of this. And bronze the face. Oh, I never finished my eyes. That may help. So we need pencil and eyeliner. And hopefully, I don't mess up this look, but we're gonna quickly, I'll go off camera to do my eyeliner just to make sure I don't mess it up. But so I'm back. My eyeliner kind of came out okay. I don't love it. I don't hate it. It actually isn't bad for what it usually looks like. This side kind of came out weird, but this eye is shaped differently than this eye, so it doesn't surprise me. But yeah, so now we're just gonna quickly do the last two things, which is blush and highlighter. So let's put that on. Alright, I think this is the final product for the makeup. It kind of is like a more neutral look. I don't like to go overboard with like when I'm doing makeup from the like 20's or anything, because like I know it was kind of a fun time, but like I feel like it's just unrealistic to do that much. So I'm just going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and let's move on to hair. Oh my god, I forgot lipstick. Jesus, was nobody gonna tell me? Okay. Nobody could tell me. Nobody's here. Duh. Alright, so now we're done. And I think I really like this look. My lipstick's a little messy. I was rushing it. But I really like this color. It's very Halloween-y to me. Oh no, I made that worse. But yeah, this is the final product. Now, let's go do hair and see what's next. Okay, so now we're on to hair. These are the two different headbands that I have. I think I might go with this one because I think it fits well and I can cover up the edges. This one, it looks good with the makeup, but I feel like it just doesn't, it blends in too much with my hair when it's colored. So, alright, we're gonna brush this out. I also keep looking at myself in the mirror and I don't recognize myself because of how much makeup I have on. It's just not what I'm used to seeing myself wear. Okay. Let's try this again. We're gonna put it where we want it. Do that. Alright, and then the way that I've seen it done online is they take hair and they kind of start weaving it, like braiding it through. So we're gonna try that. So you twist your hair the opposite direction of the way you want it to twist. I'm gonna use a little twisty. No, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's allowed to be a little messy. I feel like that's kind of the style. So, what we're going to do is kind of put it up to the top and tuck it into the braid up there. And then, alright, so I filled the storage, or my phone did, but here is the final product. I know it's a little messy, but I think that's okay. But yeah, let's go get dressed into the costume and I can show you guys the final look. So let's go. Alright, so here is the final dress look. I really like this dress. I got it on Amazon last year. I'll link it down below. I know there's a lot of different options of this dress in different colors. I liked the solid black look the best personally, just because I like black in general better, and there was no like super sequency outfit or anything. I kind of like the more subtle like fringy look. Like that's always been my favorite, especially when you dance. Like that's awesome. I also went with like these flats. I used to have a pair of like more like dance stage heels, but I think I left them at home in New York, so I don't have them with me. But overall I like it. I just did like a simple necklace with it, like a long necklace. I kept my short necklace on. I had the headband as you remember from the hair. And yeah, I really like how this dress fits. It's really comfortable. It fits a lot better than I expected it to. And yeah, I'll do one final spin. Here's the final outfit. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys hit the like button down below and make sure you leave a comment if you want to see me continuing to do videos like this. And give me a subscribe if you liked it and want to keep seeing more content. Yeah, so my fun fact of today is that my 3 favorite Halloween movies, because I can't just choose one, is Nightmare Before Christmas, Hocus Pocus, and Halloween Town, the first one. I love them all, like all 3 of them a lot, and I think I'll probably watch 1 or 2 of them while I'm editing this tonight. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. So make sure you follow me on my social medias as well. I'm on Instagram at Miss_Jenna_D_. I'm on Twitter at JennaDMiss, and I'm on Facebook as well as Miss_Jenna_D_. Until next time, stay spooky, and I love you guys. Bye!